that your boat?
Yeah, if you're like running something that needs to run for a while, you could run it with the truck off, but you just turn the truck on every 30 to 45 minutes.
I know it doesn't move.
Is there a gauge somewhere to like coordinate?
Way more.
Yeah, it should have like
Battery needs this much juice to start.
Mel brought me, okay wait, hold on, let me introduce where we are. Hold on, we're in Mammoth. Mel knows I've been jonesing for local good nectarines and peaches and just fruit in general, because I've not found good fruit at the farmer's market. Holy moly, there's the mother lode. Figs and white nectarines, a gorgeous watermelon, yellow watermelon. Mel, you just get me.
Yeah.
They couldn't afford a teardrop, so they made their own.
Wow, this is I'm so hungry right now. Man, I miss the farmers markets in California.
Cosmo, you want to share for a second?
Are these the ripe ones?
You don't want to share?
Okay. Need to go quickest.
That's where you ran into our tailgate. But at least the goose ate it. Yeah, he was like running.
Thanks for cutting these, Mel.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Cosmo, you haven't had a fig in so long. You want a
Cosmo,
fig?
you want a fig? How's it going? Morning.
Is this cut okay?
Oh yeah. Welcome to yet another Mammoth vlog. Say hi, Eric.
Hi.
Yes, we moved to Idaho, but that does not mean we're not gonna do our annual Mammoth trip. We come here every year. Eric's family has been coming here since 1972 or something. And it's a big group of people we know, and a lot of our friends from California have sort of hitched on to this tradition. And yeah, Mel and Jesse are here, and Bree and Max, and it's just so good to see them because we have missed them so much. Right now, look, it's our first day here. We are going to Sherwin Lake for a little hike, and whoa! Last time we were in Mammoth, Cosmo was 8 months, and so it's just such a different, it's just like a totally different camping experience now that he's 20 months, and yeah, it's really fun because he loves it and he's just like in heaven out here, and he loves seeing all of his buddies. All right, let's go hiking.
I still find Wiley's house, riding on my bike with eyes closed. I could name every girl that he took out, and from my memory dial his house phone. Can you take me back when we were just kids? We were in
It's really good, buddy. That's really good. Whoa, so pretty.
Cause no one knows you like they know you, but no one probably ever will. You can grow up, make new ones, but truth is, there's nothing like old friends. Cause you can't make old friends.
You say, Mommy.
Yeah.
Throw it.
I still feel the window
Scout the dog once you throw the ball.
listening to Jimmy Eat World riding 3 wide on Blake's bench seat. Yeah.
All right, Cosmo, big throw. Can you throw it up? Now throw it far.
You having fun, Cosmo?
You guys give me some content. Give me something cute, something like, hey, here we are.
Hey, Hannah.
There you go. Thank you. Good sports. Good sports.
So Uncle Max.
Oh no! Did you really get a splinter?
What a mean old tree. What's your name? What's your
Willow tree. Is that good content?
good content?
It's beautiful.
Bunch of nerds.
It looks like hair.
I picked Star Wars over Tokyo.
Too many. Over it. Nah, I'm too highbrow for him. Mid to lowbrow.
Oh my goodness. We are caught in a downpour right now. Cosmo, what do you think? Can you hear how hard it's gonna be down? Eric's out there trying to get a jacket for Cosmo.
What do you say? Big boat? Big boat? Where's the big boat?
Well, it's a good idea to put pegboard on the door.
Yeah, no one's eating. The tortillas stay warm for a finite amount of time.
Eric, jump in there. Thanks for making such a great spread, Mel.
Jesse.
And Jesse. And Atlas.
There's something about you. Something about you. Oh, there's something about you.
What is that? Those ants?
The engineer in the group, Jesse.
Anything you can fix with bungee cords, duct tape, zip ties, or...
That counts as a fix. Anna?
Yeah?
I think there's this much.
It is perfect. It's meant to be.
Such a smart guy.
What do you should be an engineer.
Although it does do that. I'm just worried about it.
Hey, I got a bungee. I'll hook my bungee here to this table.
That would work.
And it'll just aesthetically make everybody happy.
Aesthetics are more
We
important.
can't have a
than
droopy
anything.
tarp. We've had some weather the past couple days.
Rain?
And
Sunshine?
yes.
Rain again?
It's mostly the, oh, and then we had a firebolt of lightning crack like 100 feet away from us.
Shocking.
That was crazy.
Startling.
And we have been, you know, obviously looking at the weather report.
Yes.
What's the report as of now?
Like 90% chance of rain. We still have sunshine.
What's going on?
We have our
But
tarp.
that's why we set up our tarp. So that we can still make hummusadillas.
Dinner will be served regardless of the weather.
Rain or shine.
This one sock, this one dinosaur sock.
Yeah. Follow. Bree's the director of this scene.
This is just.
So cute.
Well, that sock is.
In the morning, he'll like look at his socks and make whatever noise is on them. Like he'll be like, beep beep, Bess, Bess, and then he'll go, "Rah," while he's on the potty. I want people to know like I'm
Party?
partying. And like so chill that I drink beer. I like to I can't even open my beer.
She doesn't party often though, because she can't open a beer.
Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Beautiful.
Oh, this looks like a good one.
Another night, another amazing meal.
And it doesn't need to be a ton of your ice. Like I
Oh my gosh, this smells so good.
You want some banana?
Do you want banana, Cosmo? Little piece?
No, please. Am I in it?
What do I do?
What do I do?
Okay, you guys, ready for Rock Creek?
Yes.
Let's go. The end of our intro to this scene. Yes, we are going to Rock Creek today. Rock Creek is definitely my favorite hike up here. It is just so magical. I've shown it to you guys before in vlogs, and yeah, it's the most, to me it's the Disneyland of hikes, because like every single step has an amazing scenic view, and there's all these different lakes that feel like the different towns in Disneyland.
Well, it was dark, and then you spoke, and your voice created
They already.
my tiny hands were being formed as I floated through the night, and I floated through the night. Guess I better have a little bit of hope. I wonder
Oh my gosh, it's cold.
Wait, no cuties! Be there, cuties, guys!
It's so warm.
Did he say
Did you say America?
Yeah. Wow, so we always stop over there on those rocks, but since it's such nice weather, it's like the nicest weather we've ever had at Rock Creek, we decided to keep going all the way around. And we ended up at this beautiful spot on the other side. It's nice to do something new. It's beautiful. I had no idea you could go this far.
He's pretty chill.
He is pretty chill.
He's really good at throwing sticks. He ramps up.
Mine got burned yesterday.
So beautiful. Ice water. It's ice water. That's what it feels like. I can't go in very long. Oh my gosh.
So what'd you think?
I feel good. But I have to do it again because I gotta get iPhone shots.
Go, come.
Boys killed me. All over my back.
Yeah, you do. You saw it before me.
Do you see fish?
I was like, let's see if we can see another. And he's like, huh? And I'm like, oh, look, there's one there.
Brianna, thank you for cooking tonight.
You are welcome.
Wow, this smells so good.
I'm hungry.
Is it from my bowl recipe?
From my bowl.
So much fun.
Hannah, no, mommy. Mommy.
Oh, that's very good.
Good job, Bubba.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a big old spider right there. Woo! Look at that.
Whoa.
Oh! Okay, I said it like this. I said, you don't like dates? No, I said, you don't like dates? He was like that. You don't like dates? That's not shame. It's curiosity.